Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code in Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan QR code in Facebook, first open up your Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, guys, in order to scan your QR code, we'll be required to search for a QR code scanner on Facebook. To do that, tap on the search button or the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen just beside the messenger and search for QR code over here and search for it, and you can see this QR code scanner will be available for us over here. Tap on that to open it, and this kind of interface will load where you will be able to scan your QR code in Facebook through aligning your QR code within the frame to scan over here, or you can just import from a gallery if you like, but I will not be doing that. Let's close this. And with that being said, guys, your QR code will be available over here if you want to share your QR code, and the scanner is over here through which you will be able to scan your QR code on Facebook. And guys, this is how to scan QR code in Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.